Hey guys, Andre here. I'm going to go ahead and show you my new method. My new method is going to be called newfilter, and what this is going to do is going to go up and down the x-axis depending on how much of the picture the user wants to cover with the filter. So whether they want half the picture or the whole picture, they're going to actually be able to input that number, and it's going to affect the picture. So right here, basically what I did is made a public I made the visibility public and the return type void, the method called newFilter, and I gave it a parameter and I called it size, just because it's going to basically affect the size of the filter or the size of the image that the filter is going to cover. And in the main body, to begin with, I named an integer x, and I basically declared that as 0. And from there, we go into our first loop, which is a while loop. And what the while loop is going to do is going to see if x is less than this dot get width. So the width of the picture, if x is less than that, is going to go ahead and add 1 to x, as you can see here, x plus plus. And I also went ahead and declared a pixel object, and I nulled it because I'm not going to use it just yet. I'm going to go ahead and use that when I go into my for loop, which is next. So as we get into our for loop, this is going to affect the y-axis. I went ahead and named the integer y. I labeled y as 0, and y, as long as this basically says as long as y is less than the height, then we're going to add 1 to y, just like we did with x. Uh, Underneath in the main body, I went ahead and called on that pixel, the one that we named up here, and that's going to be, it's going to get the pixels at x and y of the picture. So wherever 0, 0 is on the picture is going to get that pixel. And then we go into our third loop, which is basically, or our next statement, I should say, which is an if statement. So if x is less than size, so as long as x is basically the width is, or the width is going to be less than whatever the user is going to input into the arguments up above, then we're going to set the red to the green pixel, set the green to the red pixel, and we're just going to leave the blue the same. I messed around with a bunch of them, and I think this one looks the best. So we're just going to go ahead and use that. But I also wanted to add some flair to it, so I wanted the user to be able to input it. I want the program to ask the user to input it, so I actually started a scanner. So up at the top, when we call this method, I started a scanner up here, and I basically just named I just named a scanner, and I opened up a canvas, which I made it 4,000 by 4,000. Yeah, it's kind of big, but my pictures are sometimes kind of big, and I didn't feel like resizing them. So, and this also gives the user the option to use multiple size images. Um, so the first thing that's going to do is going to ask me here on how big I want the filter, and then it's going to store that number in memory, and when we actually call on the picture object, it's going to use those parameters. So if I show you right here, hit run, it should prompt me down here, how big do you want the filter? And say my picture is about 1,000 pixels wide, I want to say. So if I just want to do half of it, we'll do 500. And I'll show you later, it's going to, no matter what you put in here, is going to it's gonna work. Uh, so this is gonna prompt me to get the picture, and we're gonna use flowers. And as you can see right here, is going to give like a greenish kind of tint to the picture. It's gonna go over the x-axis, starting from 0, it goes all the way up to 500 pixels. And if I want to do 1,000, I can do 999 pixels because 1,000 would go one over. But yeah, so if I, for example, so if I do this again, and it's going to ask me one more time. So say I want to do, we'll just do 900. It's going to be wider. And over here, we're going to open that guy up again. Flowers, and now that's going to go ahead and cover most of the picture with our new filter. That's basically it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in class.